Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Now in today's lesson, we're going over the unordered list and ordered list that HTML offers. We'll just change the title here and save it there. Now, the first list is unordered list. This simply is bulletin points for your document. You indicate a list item by using li, and make sure you close that tag as well with the angular bracket. And we'll just put 2 bullet points here for demonstrations here. Just save here, and then we'll refresh, and we see that we have it working right there. Now the second list is the ordered list right here. This is a numbered list. Same concept as well. Use li to list the items. So that would be number 1 on the list, and then the next one will be number 2 on the list. Now we just save here, refresh, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.